Hey there, health enthusiasts and wellness seekers. Are you ready to transform your oral health from the inside out? Forget everything you thought you knew about dental care, because today, we're diving deep into a revolutionary approach that's got everyone buzzing. Prodentim. This isn't just another supplement, it's a game changer for your smile and overall well-being. For years, we've been told that brushing and flossing are the ultimate keys to a healthy mouth. While undeniably crucial, what if I told you there's a deeper, more fundamental aspect to oral wellness that's often overlooked? We're talking about the incredible world of your oral microbiome. Just like your gut, your mouth is teeming with billions of bacteria, both good and bad. The secret to a truly healthy smile lies in nurturing the good guys. This is where Prodentim steps in, offering a fresh, innovative perspective. It's designed to rebalance your oral ecosystem, fostering an environment where beneficial bacteria can thrive. This holistic approach is what truly sets Prodentim apart, moving beyond temporary fixes to address the root cause of many common oral issues. Get ready to discover how this unique supplement can empower you to achieve a vibrant, confident smile. So, what is this groundbreaking product, Prodentim? At its core, Prodentim is an advanced oral health supplement formulated with a proprietary blend of 3.5 billion probiotic strains and nutrients. Unlike traditional mouthwashes or toothpastes that indiscriminately kill all bacteria, Prodentim focuses on introducing and nurturing beneficial bacteria. This strategic approach helps to restore a healthy balance within your mouth. Imagine your mouth as a delicate garden. Instead of using harsh chemicals to clear everything out, Prodentim acts like a skilled gardener, planting beneficial seeds and creating fertile ground for them to flourish. This rebalancing act is crucial because a healthy oral microbiome is your first line of defense against common dental problems. It's about working with your body's natural defenses, not against them. Let's get into the fascinating science that makes Prodentim so effective. Each chewable tablet is packed with carefully selected probiotic strains and supporting nutrients, all working in harmony. This isn't just a random mix. Every ingredient has been chosen for its specific, powerful contribution to your oral health. Understanding these components will truly illuminate the genius behind Prodentim. First up, we have Lactobacillus paracasi. This remarkable probiotic strain is a true champion for gum health. It's known for its ability to support the delicate tissues of your gums, helping to reduce inflammation and promote a healthy, resilient gum line. Beyond that, Lactobacillus paracasi also plays a role in keeping your sinuses clear, contributing to overall upper respiratory wellness. It's a dual-action powerhouse for your head and mouth. Next, let's talk about Lactobacillus reuteri. This incredible strain is a well-researched probiotic with significant anti-inflammatory properties. In the context of oral health, Lactobacillus reuteri helps to soothe and calm the oral environment, reducing discomfort and supporting a balanced microbial community. It's like a peacekeeper for your mouth, ensuring harmony among the various bacterial residents. This contributes to a more comfortable and healthier oral experience. Then there's Bifidobacterium lactis, BL04. This robust probiotic strain is a cornerstone of a healthy microbiome, not just in your mouth but throughout your body. In your oral cavity, BL04 is instrumental in maintaining the delicate balance of good bacteria, actively working to crowd out less desirable strains. Furthermore, it's celebrated for its profound impact on respiratory tract health and its ability to bolster your immune system. Imagine a stronger defense against everyday challenges, starting right in your mouth. But Prodentim doesn't stop there. It also includes inulin, a powerful prebiotic fiber. Think of inulin as the superfood for your good bacteria. It provides the essential nourishment that these beneficial probiotic strains need to thrive, multiply, and colonize your mouth effectively. This synergistic combination of probiotics and prebiotics ensures that the good bacteria not only arrive, but also establish a strong, lasting presence. The formula is further enhanced with a proprietary blend of plants and minerals, including malic acid from strawberries, known for supporting tooth whiteness. Tricalcium phosphate helps maintain tooth strength, and peppermint provides a refreshing taste and contributes to fresh breath. This comprehensive blend ensures that Prodentim offers multifaceted support for your entire oral cavity. It's a truly holistic approach to dental wellness. Now, let's talk about the exciting part: the potential benefits you could experience by incorporating Prodentim into your daily routine. For health-conscious adults, these advantages extend far beyond just a pretty smile. They contribute to a feeling of overall well-being and confidence. Imagine waking up each day with a mouth that feels truly clean and healthy. First and foremost, Prodentim can lead to improved gum health. By nurturing beneficial bacteria and reducing inflammation, the probiotics in Prodentim help to strengthen your gum tissues. This can mean less sensitivity, reduced redness, and a healthier foundation for your teeth. Healthy gums are absolutely essential for preventing more serious dental issues down the line. It's about proactive care for your entire oral structure. Next, you might notice stronger, more resilient teeth. While Prodentim isn't a replacement for brushing, by balancing your oral microbiome, it creates an environment less hospitable to harmful bacteria that contribute to enamel erosion and cavities. A balanced pH level in your mouth, supported by beneficial bacteria, can help protect your teeth from daily acid attacks. This means your teeth are better equipped to withstand the challenges of everyday life. And who doesn't want fresher breath? Bad breath, or halitosis, is often a direct result of an imbalance of bacteria in the mouth, particularly those that produce volatile sulfur compounds. Prodentim directly addresses this root cause by introducing beneficial strains that help to neutralize these odor-causing bacteria. Imagine the confidence that comes with knowing your breath is consistently fresh, naturally. It's a small change that makes a huge difference in social interactions. Beyond these specific benefits, Prodentim contributes to overall oral hygiene and comfort. When your oral microbiome is balanced, your mouth simply feels better. You might experience less dryness, reduced irritation, and a general sense of cleanliness that lasts throughout the day. It's about creating a harmonious internal environment that supports your daily comfort and long-term health. This holistic improvement can truly elevate your quality of life. Furthermore, with ingredients like Bifidobacterium lactis BL04, Prodentim also offers immune system support. A significant portion of your immune system resides in your gut, and the oral microbiome is intimately connected to this larger system. By fostering a healthy balance in your mouth, you're also contributing to a stronger, more resilient immune response throughout your body. This is a powerful, often overlooked benefit for the health-conscious individual. Finally, consider the boost in confidence and quality of life. When your mouth feels healthy, your breath is fresh, and your smile is vibrant, it naturally translates into greater self-assurance. You'll feel more comfortable in social situations, more willing to laugh and speak freely. Prodentim isn't just about dental health. It's about empowering you to live your life to the fullest, with a radiant smile leading the way. While Prodentim offers incredible potential, it's crucial to approach any supplement with a clear understanding of its role. For our health-conscious adult audience, making informed decisions is paramount. Prodentim is a powerful tool, but it's part of a larger wellness strategy. Let's discuss some key considerations to ensure you get the most out of your Prodentim journey. Firstly, and this cannot be stressed enough, Prodentim is a supplement, not a replacement for your fundamental oral hygiene routine. You absolutely must continue brushing your teeth twice a day, flossing daily, and attending regular dental checkups. Think of Prodentim as an advanced enhancement, a powerful ally that works with your existing habits to elevate your oral health to the next level. It complements, it doesn't substitute. Secondly, results can vary from person to person, and patience is key. Just like any natural health product, the effects of Prodentim may not be instantaneous. Your oral microbiome has been developing over years, and rebalancing it takes time. Some individuals might notice improvements within a few weeks, while for others, it could take a couple of months to experience the full benefits. Consistency is vital. Make Prodentim a regular part of your morning routine. Thirdly, for those with underlying health conditions or specific concerns, it is always a good idea to consult with your dentist or healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. This is especially true if you are pregnant, nursing, or taking other medications. Your healthcare professional can provide personalized advice and ensure Prodentim is a suitable addition to your health regimen. They are your trusted partners in wellness. Prodentim is designed to be incredibly easy to use. The recommended dosage is to slowly chew one tablet every morning. This allows the beneficial probiotic strains to be released directly into your oral cavity, where they can begin their important work immediately. The chewable format ensures maximum contact with your oral tissues, optimizing the delivery of these powerful ingredients. It's a simple step that yields profound benefits. Finally, remember that holistic health is interconnected. While Prodentim focuses on oral health, a balanced diet, adequate hydration, and stress management all play a role in your overall well-being, including your oral microbiome. Embrace a comprehensive approach to health, and Prodentim will be an excellent component of your journey towards a healthier, happier you. It's about nurturing your body from every angle. So, there you have it. Prodentim offers a truly innovative and scientifically backed approach to oral health, moving beyond traditional methods to address the very foundation of a healthy mouth: your oral microbiome. It's an exciting opportunity for health-conscious adults like you to take proactive control of your dental well-being, leading to not just a healthier smile, but enhanced confidence and overall vitality. If you're ready to experience the transformative power of Prodentim and unlock your healthiest, most radiant smile, don't wait another moment. We've made it incredibly easy for you to take the next step. Click the exclusive link in the description below this video right now to learn more about Prodentim, explore special offers, and secure your supply. This is your chance to invest in a brighter, healthier future for your teeth and gums. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to revolutionize your oral care routine. Take action today and let Prodentim help you shine.